Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. So it's been a few weeks since I made a video on how to cold smoke cheese. And I did that using a smoke tube in my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. You can watch the video on that. We'll drop that link here. But it's been about 3 weeks since that's happened, and that cheese has just been sitting and absorbing all that delicious smoke flavor for about 3 weeks. And today it's time to take it to the next level and actually try it. And I'm gonna try it in a wonderful fashion, and we're gonna make a gourmet smoked grilled cheese sandwich. Now I know what you're thinking, grilled cheese, really? Really? Yes, grilled cheese, but not just any grilled cheese like you've had before. We're gonna mix 2 different types of that smoked cheese. We're gonna add some freshly smoked, thick cut bacon. We're also gonna add a homemade sriracha mayo. This thing's gonna be incredible, I can't wait to try it. So enough talking about it, let's make a grilled cheese. All right, step 1, I've got my sheet pan with a rack on it here. Apparently a piece of pine straw. And I have some fresh slab bacon. This is gonna be delicious. It came directly from a butcher shop. It's gonna be great. So I'm just gonna take this bacon and I'm gonna lay it out here on my pan. So you can see here about how thick that bacon is. Really, really nice. I'm just gonna lay it out on my pan. Now you could just do this directly on the grates of your smoker, but it just makes for easier cleanup this way because all those drippings will just go right into this pan. Little shout out to Strip District Meats, downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, for this beautiful bacon. All right, there we go. Now normally on the channel you've seen me make bacon before. I usually season the bacon with something, but today I'm not gonna do that at all. I'm gonna let the smoky flavor of the cheese and obviously the bacon, as well as that natural saltiness that's in that bacon, and the addition of the sriracha mayo, I'm gonna let all that do the work as far as flavor goes. So right now it's time to get this on the smoker. I've got my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart set at 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna put it on there, maybe flip it once until it's done, and then we'll get started on our sandwich. All right, while that bacon is cooking, let's get a look at our cheese. Again, cheese has not been opened since about 3 weeks ago. It was wrapped in paper and then also put inside of a bag. So it's been nice and airtight in there. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, what it looks like. This would be my smoked Gouda that I made. All right, there it is. Look at that beautiful color. A beautiful brown color from the smoke. Oh, it's almost like its own little smoke ring there. Oh, that's beautiful. So there's my Gouda. Next, let's take a look at this beautiful sharp cheddar. All right, there we go. Again, beautiful color. That kind of brownish tint to it. That's what's gonna give it that smoky flavor. So for my sandwich today, I'm gonna do a slice of Gouda and I'm gonna do a slice of cheddar. So I'm gonna go ahead and using my very sharp knife here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a slice of each of these. Look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. Now let's get a slice of this Gouda. I'm obviously gonna do a few of these because I want them to be enough for my sandwich. Just how beautiful does that look? And it can't hurt to try a little bit of this, right? Oh. Earliest ever in the video. Holy smokes. It's delicious. You know what? Why not? A little bit of the Gouda. Oh. This is gonna be incredible. All right, so here are my slices for my grilled cheese sandwich. Next, we'll wait till the bacon is done and then we'll start building our sandwich and put it on the Lockhart. All right, this grilled bacon is done. To tell you that is hot would be an understatement. All right, my cheese is ready, my bacon's ready. Let's go ahead and build our sandwich. So I'm gonna be using this beautiful loaf of brioche bread. Now normally whenever people make a grilled cheese, like in a skillet or a pan or something like that, you usually want to coat the outsides with butter. That's what gives it that nice, beautiful color. But today I'm actually going to coat it with a sriracha mayo. That's right. It's going to give a little bit of heat and also beautiful color to our grilled cheese sandwich. Now pay very close attention because this is a very complicated recipe to make. The sriracha mayo consists of mayo and sriracha. That's literally all it is. Use your mayo of choice. However, my favorite is Hellmann's. Use just about that much. I only need enough to coat the outside of the sandwich, and that's it. And then my current favorite sriracha is this Yellowbird Blue Agave sriracha. I love this stuff. It's a thinner consistency. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it also. This is delicious. So you can add as much or as little as you want to this. We'll do about like that. Then just mix it up. Just like that. Little taste. Holy smokes, that's good. All right, here we go. A couple slices of this beautiful thick brioche loaf, just like that. I'm gonna start with my cheddar. Just gonna lay that right in the middle. Gonna sort of place my Gouda, like so. Now I'm gonna grab my bacon. Look at that, grab a couple pieces. I like my bacon about this level of doneness, not like my kids who want a nuclear bomb to be dropped on their bacon. I'm gonna place the full piece of bacon, just like that. Give me one more. One more, just like that. Look at that. Cover that bad boy up. I'm telling you, this grilled cheese is about to be incredible. Now that's sriracha mayo. Just put it right here on the top. Just kind of spread it out. It's got a good amount of heat to it, but that's what I like. Again, you could use regular mayo, and heck, you could even use butter. Just go super traditional with it. There's nothing traditional about what we're doing right now. And you know what? I'm fine with it. Now what I'm gonna do here, because I don't want to make a mess of things, I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this on the smoker, and then I'm gonna coat the other side of the bread with that sriracha mayo. All right, here we go. Let's get it on the smoker. Just kind of turn it over like so. Get underneath this guy, and right in the middle. Woo! Look at that. Press it down a little bit. All right, let's get our mayo here. Just coat that on nicely while it's sitting there doing its thing. All right, about 3 minutes per side. Here's what we're going for. All right, about 3 minutes per side. And look at this. Woo! Beautiful. That color on there, oh, beautiful. You can see that cheese is melted. All right, let's take a look. Oh man, look at that. Look at that melted cheese. Oh my gosh, just look at it. Oh man. All right, it's time, ladies and gentlemen, to try this beautiful smoked grilled cheese sandwich. Here we go. Oh, holy smokes, is that good. Holy smokes, that is good. Oh, the bacon, the smokiness of the cheese. I'm talking with my mouth full, I'm sorry. Wow, that is delicious. What a perfect way to break in this smoked cheese. The cheddar, the Gouda, the bacon, that sriracha mayo does give it a tiny bit of heat. It's barely even noticeable at this point, but it is noticeable. This is absolutely delicious. You gotta try it if you got a smoker. Even if you don't, put it on your flat top, put it on your griddle inside. Do whatever you wanna do. But if you have some smoked cheese, make a smoked grilled cheese sandwich. Add some bacon to it. It'll be one of the best you've ever had. Hey, thanks once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Click that little bell to turn on post notifications so that you know the second that we post a new video here on the channel. And if you missed part 1, make sure you check it out right here where you can see exactly how we smoked our cheese. We cold smoked it using a smoke tube, and you can do the same at home. So check that out when you get a chance, and I will see you next time.